Teka, di na natira. At Alwin Alday, dire-diretso with a basket here.
Ganda ng poise niya.
Parang, ang tawag nga sa larong kalye butaw di ba? Wala kang ganun. Ngayon ating field goal story sa first quarter, 6 out of 19 para sa Bicol, 7 out of 16 para sa Pampanga, Alwin Alday, and one acrobatic shot.
Well, again,
wala ni Bole.
pero si Alday, known for his scrappiness. Again, magandang matchup for Michael Wico because both are scrappy players, both
Exactly.
are also gifted offensively.
Nakakalaban mo ba ito sa La Consolacion kay Coach Bong de la Cruz?
Hindi na.
Galing
Hindi
nito
pa.
talaga. College pa lang, talagang yun yung trademark niya, scrappiness, yung pressure defense.
Pero ika nga ni si Delph na nakakasama daw niya sa mga liga.
Yun nga ang mabigat doon. Tapa dito, si Ives Sazon at Alwin Alday. Nakita natin, sunod-sunod ang basket. Ito yung highlight. Tumingin pa na may extra paas. Alwin Alday, galing din ng basa. Ang galing ng pasa. Kay Alday, nasa harapan niya si Nangsang, Kasado at Sigurado.
This one up. Too strong. There's Alwin Alday ahead of the pack and he will score on the layup. Sa kabila, Asuncion driving inside. Rejected by Lalata. 2-on-1. Ron J going to the right side. Alwin Alday and he will score. First quarter, 9 total fast break points. And this one off great defense mula kay Chris Lalata. The 2-on-1, very easy for the leader. Ron J. Buenafe going to Alwin Alday as they establish a 6-point lead here in the first quarter.
Loses the handle. Alday will sprint his way and get that lay in the go. Alday goes all the way. Muntinlupa sitting at the 14th.
Still looking to make a play. Alwin Alday backs it in. Report. Ron J. Buenafe did tell us that it was very heartbreaking to disappoint their fans. Alwin Alday. Malabas, Safer Mondragon. Alday making a move, spinning. Alday, that's a tough shot. The bang in the bucket for Alwin.
Going baseline was defended very well, pero meron pala
Upside sa kanyang laro.
And helping his team as Alwin Alday.
Shocker.
So 5 points na para kay Marvin Lee. Alwin Alday spinning his way through and he puts it in.
So balik tayo dito sa ating laro. Alwin Alday napasahan ng outlet. Floater, sabit yung 6'7", ginawang sampayan.
At the mercy of Alwin Alday, itong outstretched arms ni Matthew Aquino, parang alam mong walang mangyayari. Sa mata pa lang ni Alwin Alday pagkakuha ng bola, alam mo na aatake niya with that floater. The master of the floater right now, dito sa PBL, maybe, ito si Alwin Alday. Points of turnovers, Bacoor with 11, Bicol with...
Ron J ngayon. Alday ang poposte. Fadeaway shot is good para kay Alwin Alday. What a play. May kasama pang foul.
yes, no? On one leg, tumira tong si Alwin Alday paatras. May foul pa. Lobon-lobo yung tira na yun, no?
Parang
Kaya
naalala ko si Dirk Nowitzki sa move na yun,
Oh.
Fadeaway shot. Looper is good for Alwin Alday plus the foul.
Yes.
Passing first space. This time finds Alday for that play-in.
Ganda na ang mga players sa mga ganung bagay.
Salo ni Alday yung pasa na yun. Layup is good para kay Alwin Alday. Alday, nagmamadali. Alwin, lay it in as Alday makes it.
Mondragon on the high-low, papunta kay Alday. Alday,
Drop
PS
step.
baseline, basic. Mouse in the house.